In this particular section, we genuinely want to simulate various heart sounds. First, let's consider the normal, healthy heart sounds, specifically S1 and S2. The very first sound that we hear is designated as S1, and subsequently, the second distinct sound is known as S2. Then, moving beyond the normal, we encounter the phenomenon of splitting of these heart sounds. The first heart sound, S1, is usually heard as a single unified sound. However, the second heart sound, S2, due to a physiological splitting, can often be heard as two closely spaced yet distinct sounds, and sometimes, under certain conditions, it can indeed be perceived as a clearly split sound. There are also various pathological sounds that we must consider, such as a sound presenting with a wide split, or alternatively, a fixed split, which is notably not affected by the process of respiration. In the next intriguing scenario, there are specific times when we hear both S3 and S4 occurring simultaneously at the very same moment, which is medically termed a quadruple rhythm. How exactly does this complex rhythm sound? It typically goes lob-dob-ta-ta, 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 or alternatively 1-2-2-2, 1-2-2-2. The subsequent state or condition is precisely called summation gallop, which characteristically happens in patients experiencing tachycardia, a condition where the diastolic phase of the cardiac cycle becomes significantly short and consequently S3 and S4 merge together into a single combined sound. It sounds very much like a rhythmic galloping rhythm, and if you carefully observe its distinctive shape, it remarkably resembles a moving train, which is precisely why we refer to it as a summation gallop.